Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to scan a document and make it a PDF on your iPhone. So let's start. First open the Notes app on your iPhone. Now tap on the Create icon on bottom right corner. Now tap on the camera icon. Then tap on Scan Documents. And your camera will open. Now put your camera over a document you want to scan. Now click a picture. Now you have to match the corners. Now tap on Keep Scan on bottom right corner. Now tap Save on bottom right corner. Now you can also add a text to the scanned document. Now tap on the share icon on top right corner. And here you will see that it is saved as a PDF document. You can share it via many sharing streams. You can also print it by connecting to a Bluetooth printer. Or you can also save it to your files. And that's how you can scan a document and make it a PDF on your iPhone. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.